Hello there. This time, we'll have the rational equation, especially on its word problem. Our first problem is a number problem. The problem states that 1/6 of a number is 3 less than 1/2 of the same number. What is the number? Do you know the number? If you don't know the number, let x be the number. Remember, 1/6 of a number, so that is 1/6 of x, is. It means equals 3 less than. If you say 3 less than, that means minus 3. 1/2 of the same number. So we say 1/2. What's our number again? X. This time, let's simplify. X times 1 divided 6 is x over 6 equals x times 1, that's x, divided by 2, x over 2 minus 3. Since we have this one, we need to identify the LCD. The LCD is 6 and 2. So what's the LCD of 6 and 2? Yes, that's 6. So we have x over 6 times 6. You multiply all the terms by 6 equals x over 2 times 6 minus 3. What's the LCD again? 6. Now we simplify. 6 divided 6 is 1 times x, that's x, equals 6 divided by 2 is 3 times x, that's 3x, minus 3 times 6 is 18. Now we do transposition. We transfer 3x to the other side. So it becomes negative 3x. So x minus 3x is negative 2x. What's left on the right-hand side? That's negative 18. That's negative 18. We divide both sides by its numerical coefficient, negative 2. So we have x equals negative 18 divided by negative 2, 9. So the number is 9. Let's go to the second problem. The second problem states that the numerator is 2 less than the denominator. If 1 is subtracted from the numerator and added to the denominator, the value of the fraction is 1/3. Find the original fraction. Now, here's a technique. When there's a numerator and a denominator, the last one being mentioned gets the x. So since the denominator was the last one being mentioned, so let x be a denominator. Then we read the first problem again. The numerator is, so what's the value of a numerator? 2 less than, that's minus 2 of the denominator. Our denominator is x, so that will be x minus 2. In the original fraction, that's numerator divided by denominator. So we have x minus 2 all over x. Now let us find the equation. If 1 is subtracted from the numerator and added to the denominator, so what will happen? We subtract 1 from the numerator and we add 1 to our denominator. The value of the fraction is 1/3. Now we need to simplify. Negative 2 and negative 1, that's negative 3. So you have x minus 3 over x plus 1 equals 1/3. Then we do cross multiplication. That becomes 3 quantity x minus 3 equals, how about the other side? 1 quantity x plus 1. Then let's do the distribution property. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 equals 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we do the transposition. We transpose similar terms. So we have 3x, the other one, minus x is 2x. For the other side, that's 1. We transpose negative 9, that becomes positive 9. We'll get 10. So 2x is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 5. Now we substitute the value 5 to the original fraction. So the numerator, that's 5 minus 2. So we'll get 3. For the denominator, we get x. So we'll have 5. So the original fraction is 3/5. This ends our problem solving for the number problem.